Welcome back to Elshimi Explains. Today, we are tearing down one of the biggest myths in the AI space right now, the idea that bigger is always better. For the last few years, everyone has been obsessed with giant large language models, but a massive shift is happening. Enterprises are quietly abandoning these massive trillion-parameter giants in favor of small language models, or SLMs. Let's talk about why this size illusion is breaking and why compact AI is the future of business. When we talk about rolling out AI in a real-world enterprise product management framework, we have to look past the hype. Giant models are incredible for general knowledge, creative brainstorming, or handling highly ambiguous open-ended tasks. But in the real world of technical project workflows, they come with massive overhead. They're expensive, they suffer from high latency, and most importantly, they force you to send your sensitive corporate data out to a third-party cloud provider. Enter the small language model. We are talking about models with 1 to 14 billion parameters. They're laser-focused, incredibly efficient, and designed to do one specific job flawlessly. Think about building the backbone for something like a property intelligence technology platform. If you're processing thousands of localized data points or running a custom data framework script through PowerShell to sanitize records, you do not need an AI that can write a Shakespearean sonnet. You need an AI that can instantly extract structured data, route intent, and run categorization without a 3-second delay. SLMs allow you to do exactly that, keeping the processing strictly within your own controlled environment. If you are automating the generation of scripts for a digital talking head video series, you need a model that follows strict formatting rules without hallucinating unnecessary details. A fine-tuned SLM handles these rigid, repetitive tasks perfectly. Whether you're aiming for high performance on a racing simulator or building an enterprise application, speed and precision dictate success. The economics are also undeniable. The cost of running an LLM API at scale can spiral out of control. With an SLM, you can run inference on a single enterprise GPU or even locally. The hardware optimization has reached a point where you can literally run a highly capable SLM directly on a high-performance premium smartphone like a Galaxy Z Fold 8 without ever touching the cloud. That means zero latency, zero recurring API token costs, and absolute data privacy. This is why the smartest product managers are adopting a hybrid routing strategy. They use a fast, localized SLM to handle 90% of the daily repetitive tasks, like parsing contracts, summarizing technical debt, or categorizing help tickets. Then, and only then, do they route the most complex, reasoning-heavy edge cases to the giant LLM. It's about applying the right tool for the right job. The 2026 cohort of SLMs is proving that you don't need massive scale to achieve high accuracy. By fine-tuning a small model on your own high-quality domain-specific data, it can actually outperform a giant generalized model in your specific workflow. The era of defaulting to the biggest model available is over. The future belongs to lean, focused, and highly specialized AI that runs locally, protects your data, and drastically cuts costs. Let me know in the comments how you plan to integrate small language models into your tech stack. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.